these?
Not in this bag.
20. Oh, that's our bag.
Yes. Found it.
Did they move everything else inside?
Say cheese.
Cheese!
Giraffe. Giraffe animal. Look.
Now?
Right there. See a giraffe?
Oh, a giraffe.
How can I zoom in? I can't see any. Yay! Yay! Yay!
Jump! Jump for joy!
Yay!
Is it fun?
Stick yours on here. And cook it. You stick it in the fire. Here, our daddy show you. Let's go.
Let's go, let's go.
Oh, we have to get in line.
Đông quá.
Look,
It's
you
burned.
want to blow it?
It's burned.
Cat with spot. I thought it was cheetah.
We have cycads, we have wildlife conflict, bee fences,
Wildlife conflict. Do we have that? Wildlife conflict. Wildlife
leopard,
conflict.
and rettedi.
So we've gone in some way.
Are we ready for the word?
Yes!
Ooh, almost, almost.
I just have to add free space.
Good job.
By the way, we are playing for prize.
What is free space?
The next word is going to be another kind of tree. This is an acacia tree. Do you guys know who eats acacia?
Follow daddy. Follow the flashlight.
Yeah, I'm a leader. No, he's a leader. Cuddle up. Daddy, can I use the flashlight?
There's someone behind us, so không cái chĩa lên mặt á.
Rabbit!
Shh. Chạy mất rồi.
There it is.
Yeah.
What does it feel like to be on the bunk bed, Mommy?
Why?
Here, you can turn on the other light, Emma. See the lantern? Lantern. You know how to do it?
Yes.
Pull it all the way up.
Chị chỉ mẹ
Don't
rồi.
look at it, okay? Put it. You can put it down now.
Trời
Perfect.
ơi, hay quá, cảm ơn nha.
Wow, I can see a giant shadow. I look so big.
You're welcome to visit our elephant and lion habitats this morning. Good morning, campers. Please have your personal items packed up and set outside of your tents before heading to breakfast. You're welcome to visit our elephant and lion habitats this morning.
7 giờ mà.
Right.
Just set your drink down, we can get some food.